Hey, so I made wasmX open source and the link is in the description. wasmX is the most flexible WASM blockchain on the market. It has multi-VMs virtual machines. It has the most efficient virtual machine for Ethereum that I have built in EVM assembly byte by byte. It supports contracts in JavaScript, Python, Golang, Solidity, Rust. You can change consensus while the chain is running. And the consensus protocol is a finite state machine diagram. The other day, I made the simplest consensus algorithm and it took me 1 hour to make it and test it. This would mean months of work for other chains. wasmX is an extraordinary piece of complex software. And I have both deterministic contracts and non-deterministic contracts. You can run an entire email server on a wasmX blockchain. And we actually do now. I even have a subchain, or more accurately, a superchain system, where you spawn wasmX chains by negotiation between nodes. And you can do atomic and cross-chain transactions. I built, as in I wrote the code, tested, spawned validators for wasmX myself, without a team, without millions in VC funding, over 2.5 years working on average of 12 to 16 hours a day without an ICO, without converting your hopes and dreams into Lambos. And this is exactly why nobody will know about wasmX. I bet with all of you that by the end of this year, wasmX will barely get 50 stars on GitHub, at best. I've had people who know what I'm building, who follow me, we've talked, undo their likes on X. Why? Who knows? But they are funded by VCs on work that does overlap somewhat what I do. But their work is paid. So I understand that nobody has the economical incentive to make my project known. And I have no token to push. But I did not build wasmX for money. Clearly, I built it as a sacrifice for what I believe the world needs. So did I waste 2.5 years of my life? Of course not. I'm a different person now. I've built something that took a lot of effort, and I made it a sacrifice to God and the universe. Stay tuned for what's next.